Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to improve the sound quality on your HyperX Cloud 2 in 2026. First of all, you need to understand one important thing that the HyperX Cloud 2 does not have a built-in EQ software. So we will use some of the simple methods that work on any of the PCs. So first of all, you just have to right click on the taskbar, then click on the option of taskbar settings. When you are inside the settings of your PC, you just have to simply click on the option of system, then click on the option of sound. Now, when you are inside the sound option, you just have to scroll down a bit and look for the option of more sound settings. Now, as soon as you do this, this type of window will appear in front of you. Over here, among the given options, you just have to make sure that you are inside the playback tab. Over here in the playback tab, you just have to select the option of headset. After selecting it, you just have to double click on it, then go to properties. After going to the properties, simply look for the option of enhancement tab, and then you just have to turn on the bass boost and loudness equalization. Once you're done this, you just have to simply click on the option of apply and OK, and you are done. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.